And of course he's gone to get the birds. And the birds are eating. Oh my gosh. Tyler! Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, workout is just finished. I've been up killing it all morning and it was a success. I had so much fun. And I just finished making green juice. Just finished making green juice for Thailand. This morning is a rapid morning because it's work day, it's daycare day, so a lot to get done before I head out to take the bus to drop Tyler to daycare so I can go to work. It's bright and early Monday morning, so baby's off to work and I'm here trying to get some stuff done before I head out. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever it is that you're doing today, just have fun doing it, stay blessed doing it, and make sure you guys get your workout in, get some form of exercise in. It doesn't really matter what is it. When you walk around your office, like I always tell you, like I always preach, just do it. And you guys has been asking me a lot how I make my green juice in the mornings, so I'm going to show you guys right now how I make it. And this method that I'm going to show you is the method that I use every single morning. I add nothing less and I add nothing more to it. It's very simple and it's very tasty. Tyler loves it, I love it, babe's not having it. So many of you have been asking me how I make my green juice in the mornings after I work out, so I'm just going to run through it real quick and show you what I put in my green juice. So normally I use apples, ginger, cucumbers and celery. That's all I use, and this is my method every single morning. If my apples are small like this morning, I use 2 small ones. If my cucumber is very big, I use only half, but it's small, I use 1. And I'm just going to show you the approximate amount of ginger that I use. This is the amount of ginger that I have, just a handful, and about a cup of celery or a 1/4 cup of celery. Basically this is my drainer full of ingredients, and this is the technique and the amount of things that I use every morning. And this is going to give me 2 glasses. It is going to give me this full and 1 small glass for Tyler, and I just put this in my juicer, which is right here, and I add no water, I add nothing else to it. So this is all I do every morning. So you guys ask, there you go. And there you go guys, green juice is ready. That's it. So that's it for this morning. And here Tyler calling me. It is looking very cloudy outside. Let me show you guys what outside is looking like. There we go. It's not beautiful outside today at all. I'm not even sure whether it's going to rain or not, but whatever the case. Wow! Look at you finish already. You finish? Something is more. Okay, say morning, Faves.
Morning, Faves.
Tell them what you're doing. Okay. So Tyler finished drinking his, yes?
Yanni find a blue egg, an orange egg, and the big green egg.
Okay, have fun finding those eggs. Tyler finished drinking off his juice. He loves this green juice, y'all. He loves this green juice. And now I am going to finish drinking mine, go get a fresh, and then jump straight into breakfast and dinner because I have to be on time as usual. So let's get into it. So have a good day, y'all. Stay blessed, stay loved, have a good day. Let nobody at all spoil your day. I mean nobody. Nobody is worthy of your sanity and of your joy. So just have a good day and keep a smile on your face. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and join the fam bam. And if you haven't turned on your notification, you guys, please check to make sure that you guys have your notification on. That way you guys won't miss our uploads. Jump into breakfast and dinner. So let go. Right now for the fam bam. Real quick, I already made breakfast, just some quick eggs and throw that down because I ain't got time to sit down and eat this morning. So I'm in the kitchen making dinner, and for dinner today I am making some cabbage and saltfish. My mind has been on cabbage and saltfish since last week and I didn't get to cook it, so today is the day that I'm gonna do that. And in here I just cut up all the things that I need. I have the saltfish over here cooking, and I am going to now throw in all my veggies and saute these seasonings into that pot with some oil real quick and steam that saltfish and cabbage, and then figure out what is going to go with the saltfish and cabbage for dinner. Finish steaming and looks very vibrant and beautiful. I love cooking and seeing all these colors in my food. Now I'm gonna add the saltfish. Add saltfish, and lastly I'm gonna add some black pepper. Some black pepper to that. Mix that in. Now I'm gonna cover this and turn it off and let it stay on the burner without flame, and that should be good to go. I went with quinoa instead of rice for dinner to go with the cabbage and saltfish over here, and I'm officially finished in the kitchen. And Tyler is done for a nap. He had lunch and got a bath and done for a nap. Now I need to go and have lunch and get ready and relax a bit, take a breathe, and then go pick Tyler up for school. So I'm on a roll as usual. Life of a mama. When you don't have help around, you just have to keep it going and do what you have to do. So this is what my lunch is looking like, you guys. Just a few sushis and I'll be alright. Off to school we go. And of course he's gone to get the birds. And the birds are eating, oh my gosh. Tyler! Leave them, come, they're eating. Look, they're eating. They're eating bread. Come. We are off to school. It looked like it was about to rain, but it didn't happen. Go, go, you're the first one here today. Wow, go on, go, Dibojo.
Hi guys, and good evening. I just come back from work, so hi everybody. Yeah, it has been a long day for me. Outside it feels raining. So not a good day, cloudy, and yeah, it's raining a little bit, and yeah, not a good day at all. I'm home. I get Tyler is so his Auntie Jen. Oh, he was so excited. I couldn't catch him because we went to his daycare place, and yeah, one by one couldn't catch him, but oh, he was excited. He was so happy. So he's now in the living room eating. Qu'est-ce que tu manges? Qu'est-ce que tu manges? Saucisse, c'est quoi? Et du riz? You don't talk? Well, he's not in a talking mood, he's watching Peppa Pig. So yeah, that's normal. Baby's supposed to come soon. I'm taking care of Tyler as much as I can, and yeah, I'm here. I'm feeling tired. I didn't eat yet, but I don't feel like I want to eat. I just feel like I want to relax. I want to drink something cold, so I just put Coca-Cola in the freezer. And yeah, I hope you all having a wonderful day. I hope you stay blessed, and yeah, have a good week, and I'll catch you guys in a week when babe come back.
We have been back home. I don't know if babe talked to you guys since he gets home, but I've been back, babe's been back, Tyler's been back, and Jen is back, you guys. Jen is back, and she went to school to pick up Tyler today, and I heard that Tyler was so over the moon, and Jen was just so excited. They were just screaming and carrying on when Jen picked him up. I know he would have been excited. He's been asking for Jen non-stop, so he had a blast, and I think she's going to pick him up tomorrow. He's not even going to daycare because she wants to keep him tomorrow. She misses him and he misses her, so I think he's gonna spend the afternoon with Jen while I go to work. But yeah, that's what's up basically, you guys. Look at him. Have you talked to the faves since you got home? Tell them who you saw at school.
I'm going.
Who picked you up from school? Yes.
And Papa.
And Papa?
Yes.
Yes.
And Auntie Jen.
And Auntie Jen?
Yes.
And they give her big kisses?
Yes.
And hugs?
I'm going to McDonald's on my fries.
And she bought you fries. Lord have mercy. Come here.
Ketchup.
And she bought you ketchup too?
Yes.
Oh, she carried you to
I'm
McDonald's?
doing the fries.
And you fall because you were running?
Yes.
She carried you to McDonald's?
Yes. This is the I'm for.
Then you fall?
One of the police car and the car. It goes, wing. You're very bad. Very bad.
Careful, you're gonna fall again.
Mama.
Yes.
Look, police cars are very fast.
The police car went very fast. Come here, come tell Faves night night. Come. See you guys later. You're so happy.
J'ai compris, chanter comme une casserole, ça veut dire chanter faux en faisant des bruits affreux. Exact, ce n'est vraiment pas fait pour ça.
What you doing?
Allez, t'es prêt à dodo? C'est bon? Hey guys, so Tyler is off to bed. Baby's off to bed too. She felt very tired tonight, so I'm the last one awake, watching football. It's soon the World Cup. So I think it's like 2 weeks the World Cup, the soccer or football, whatever you call it, World Cup starts in 2 weeks, and it's gonna be crazy. France is in the game. I hope they're gonna do far. So yeah, I'm actually watching. It's like a friendship. I don't know how you call it, scrimmage, friendship, or well, it's like training game. So yeah, that's the first training game. It's gonna be like 2-3 games, and yeah. I hope you all had a wonderful day. My day was tired, like I said, and yeah, I guess everybody tired, but I say when you're tired at the end of the day is because you had you make your day full. So yeah, that's was a good day. I enjoyed my day, and I'm gonna try, no matter what I do, to enjoy every day, because I can't only enjoy the weekend. So that's the word for today. Enjoy as much as you can every little minutes. So I'm gonna end the vlog now. So if you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bells, catch up and keep up, and I'm doing like Tyler, catch up and keep up, catch up and keep up, and we see you guys tomorrow.